Adding chat widget to Gohighlevel is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to add chat widget to your Gohighlevel. So as you guys can see, I've already logged into my Gohighlevel account, and now what you have to do is, and you simply have to click on this sites icon, and it will take you to this page. And in this page you have to create a funnel if you don't have before. In my case, I've created a funnel just before this. Now I'm just going to click on this funnel and it will take me to this page. Now this page, what you have to do is you just simply have to click on this chat widget icon and it will take you to that page. And in this page you simply have to set up your chatbot. You can set the intro message, avatar, you can add the image, you can edit the image. It totally depends upon you. After setting up the whole chatbot, I have to click on this save and get code button. Now you will see this page. Now what you have to do is you have to copy all of its code. This code can also be used in your websites. Now I'm just going to copy the code. After copying the code, what will I do is I will go back to the sites, and in sites I had to go back to my funnel which I was editing before, and in my funnel to go to this settings option, it will take me to these settings. Now you just have to wait until this option appears, which is chat widget. You just have to enable it. After enabling it, it will be enabled in your website. As you guys can see, it has been enabled in my website. So that's pretty much it. That's how it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.